Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 coolest LEGO Technic sets you need to check out in 2025. From towering cranes to iconic supercars, these builds will absolutely blow your mind. Make sure to stick around till the end. Our number 1 pick is something you don't want to miss. Starting at number 5, we have the LEGO Technic Heavy-Duty Tow Truck, set 42,128. This massive build features over 2,000 pieces and is packed with mechanical functions, including a fully operational crane, working winches, and a detailed 6-cylinder engine with moving pistons. The truck's rugged design looks just like the real thing. Whether you're playing or displaying, this set is a true masterpiece for Technic fans. Coming in at number 4 is the LEGO Technic Cat D11 Bulldozer, set 42,131. With over 3,800 pieces and fully remote-controlled functions via the Control Plus app, this bulldozer is a beast. You can raise and lower the blade, control the ripper, and drive the crawler tracks independently. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding build for serious LEGO Technic enthusiasts. At number 3, we have the LEGO Technic Liebherr LR 13,000 crawler crane, set 42,146. It's one of the tallest and most powerful LEGO cranes ever made. With motorized functions, an enormous boom, and a counterweight system, this set pushes Technic engineering to the limit. It's an ambitious project and a real centerpiece for any Technic collection. Runner-up in our list is the stunning LEGO Technic Ferrari Daytona SP3, set 42,143. This supercar model features an incredibly detailed V12 engine, an 8-speed working gearbox, and a sleek aerodynamic design. Built at 1:8 scale, it's a premium display piece that captures the essence of Ferrari performance and style. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the legendary LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron, set 42,083. This iconic model captures the beauty and power of the real Bugatti, featuring a detailed W16 engine, active rear wing, and fully functioning suspension and gearbox. It's an engineering masterpiece and a dream build for any Technic or supercar enthusiast. Thanks for watching. Which LEGO Technic set is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future LEGO content. See you in the next video.